What's up guys, welcome back with another video about ZHXTOYS injection molding factory. Today I'm going to show you how the workers in our factory use Masterbatch to color the plastic materials and how the colored plastic parts are produced through our injection molding machines. Without further ado, let's go. Now we are at the material blender. This is the machine we use for color mixing. We see the worker now is adding bags of Masterbatch into the pure plastic material that is previously loaded. The color we are working on today is brown. Turning the blender on and patiently waiting. We see that the brown Masterbatch is gradually being blended even into the raw material. When the worker thinks that the Masterbatch and the raw materials are evenly mixed, he opens up the machine and collects the mixed material into such bags and have them prepared on the platform carts. All set. After having all the color mixed material ready, the worker is transferring these bags of material to the machine that is assigned for production today. Later, the worker will add the prepared material into this container. Let me show you. Now the worker is loading the material they have prepared to the container. Here is one little tip on this. This container is only for loading the materials that are mixed with Masterbatch, but not the materials mixed with pigment powder. That will only goes to the blue hopper there. And I will explain the reason why in my next video, so make sure you check it out. This load machine provides the pumping force that draws the material out of the container. It is transferred through this tube into the injection molding machine and begins to be heated and melted. Now let's wait for the next molded part to come out. Here it is. Very solid brown color seed for our rideontoys. Perfectly produced. Here is another one. Our injection molding machines are equipped with robotic arms that enables ZHXTOYS factory the ability for automatic production. After watching the process of producing colored plastic parts, isn't it fascinating? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're looking for an ODM or OEM services for your business, our factory can help you produce any customizable plastic products.